G'day. In this video, we're going to give you an overview of Costar's enhanced SMS feature. You'll see how it works and why you need it as part of your business toolkit. And there are lots of ways for a business to communicate with customers, but where will you get the most efficient outcome and what do your customers want? Using SMS to communicate with your customers is efficient, direct, targeted, and personalised. It has an open rate far superior to email, and its immediacy is what your clients are familiar with. So what's enhanced about Costar's new SMS feature? As you'd expect, Costar's enhanced SMS has the normal functionality of SMS, including the ability to send unlimited length messages directly from your Costar system. But now, once an SMS has been sent to a customer, they can reply to it and engage with your business. And this gives them direct access to your team and is a feature that will help separate you from your competition. Any new SMS responses from your customers are clearly visible wherever you are in Costar, so nothing will get missed. However, Costar's enhanced SMS is more than just a text message platform. You can now use Costar to send your customers quotes, invoices, credit notes, service reminders, appointment confirmations, appointment reminders, follow-ups, inspections, and photos. Costar's enhanced SMS is efficient. For example, a single text message can contain reminders for multiple products and/or services, and you can establish a range of pre-configured messages that'll save you time while still retaining the ability to personalise them for each customer. All your conversations are kept as part of the history of the document that they refer to, meaning you have a permanent record of all approvals, refusals, and general discussions. You can also prepare SMS message runs from Costar to your customers for thank you messages, inspection reminders, service reminders, specific follow-ups for products, services, special items, and even packages. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, just give us a call or submit a support query through our website. To keep track of upcoming features in Costar, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Facebook and LinkedIn. Thanks. We'll see you in the next video installment.